ever searched how to monetize your dog or wondered how pet influencers actually make money, you're in the right place. I didn't plan to start a YouTube cash cow channel, but that's exactly what happened, and it all started with a St. Bernard on Christmas morning. I never thought this would happen, never. We videotaped Christmas morning with our new dog just for future memories. After we showed a few people through text, someone suggested we put it on YouTube and share the link, so we did. The video got 250,000 views in a short time, so we kept posting. Not because we were looking for a side hustle, we just loved sharing all the new videos of our new dog. He was just like Beethoven. Fast forward a little, I got monetized quickly and unexpectedly. So just start posting. Whatever you got, post it. You'll get better and better at the process as you go, but you're not going anywhere unless you post. So, I make money now 3 ways off this channel. AdSense is one, and that is simply getting paid by YouTube because people watch the videos. It's as easy as it gets. Almost requires no effort. You need good videos, not great. Keep in mind, people love your dog breed, not necessarily your content. If you have a German Shepherd, it certainly looks like other people's shepherds and acts like it. It leaves people saying, "Oh, he's just like my dog." So even the boring stuff is good enough to get viewers. Even though that part is easy, you'll want to maximize the reach as much as possible anyway. So use good search optimization and trending music. You can only get trending music from the app. Going into detail about optimization is a different video, or seek a creator that teaches it. It's not difficult, but this video is covering the basics of my business, like an outline. The second way I make money is affiliate marketing. This is simply getting a commission for providing a link to an item. This can be just about anything. I make commission through Amazon mostly, but also some other independent sellers. Sometimes the commission comes just because I put a link in my bio. Sometimes it's because I made a video about something I own, like a dog harness or toy. Sometimes it's from receiving a free product from someplace, doing a review and providing the review video and a link to the item. It's easy. Here's a few videos I have from a food and water bowl item. Another one that pays well passively for 2 years now is this hair removal rake for carpets. One video on YouTube and one on Amazon that stay forever, effortless once they're up and done. Print on demand is the third way and my favorite. It's not even my favorite because it makes the most it doesn't. It's a slower process because it's not really the type of thing people go out of their way searching for. Sometimes sure, but not like someone searching for a dog harness or supplements or something they need and not something they want. So it's passive and slow, but it's steady. Holiday time is better, and generally the summer weather is better. But it's the type of thing you build and build and build, and you'll have it forever. I sell shirts, coffee mugs, pillows, stickers, tote bags, and whatever else I see. Christmas tree ornaments work well in December, and coffee mugs make a good gift. Here's some stuff I made.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show.
I use Teespring for my fulfillment site. They make the merch, they handle payment, they handle shipping and returns. They handle everything except the design. I do the design. Am I a graphic designer? No, I'm not. But I know how to go on Etsy and buy great artwork. Regardless of what pet you have, if you go to Etsy and search Labradoodle shirt image, you'll find someone selling them. Whatever you're looking for, type it in and you'll find it. You'll get a nice selection for probably $1 or $2. Download them, then upload to Teespring, let them walk you through the process, and you'll have a store in 1 day. Then you can add as you go and keep building it and adding new products. Canva also has designs. Type in your niche and you'll find stuff ready to be sold. It's easy. From there, You can share your link to the store wherever you want. Put it in your bio, put it in every single video, make dedicated videos that just have merch, and you'll have a truly passive business forever. Remember, when you have your channel narrowed down to one specific pet, such as a certain dog breed, your potential buyers are much easier to find. Unlike selling a cute yellow t-shirt or something general, your items in your store are specific. Golden Retriever dog lovers love Golden Retriever merch. So what I'm saying is, you don't have to try hard or really at all to sell. Dog lovers are already naturally drawn to things pertaining to their favorite breed. Your effort should be almost completely consumed with creativity. Create nice stuff and you'll sell it easily. So these are the 3 main ways to make solid money with your pet on YouTube. Are they the only way? Nope. I've had people give me money just for the appreciation and free entertainment, and if you get yourself a Buy Me a Coffee page, you can get tipped too. They handle everything and send your money monthly. You can literally ask people for donations, and you'd be surprised how many people do it. Sponsors and brands are also a way to make money. A small part of your video where you advertise someone else's business for a few $100 is simple. I've done 5 seconds shoutouts for $100. The money will come in and from multiple angles, but if you don't start, it's not coming from any angle. So put everything I said on the back burner just for a minute and get started. Start with your camera roll and go from there. Get whatever you have up on your channel and let YouTube work. The YouTube algorithm will develop an audience for you as long as you're consistent. Same dog breed, same keywords in titles and descriptions and tags. Let the algorithm know who your audience is, and you'll succeed at this. Trust me, if I can do it by accident, you can do it with effort. One last note, this video covers the basics of everything I do. If you go slow and browse my channel, you'll figure it out. If you want to cut that process down, all you need is $7. I took every single thing I do and did and created a guide. It will definitely speed things up. It's not a course. I'm not a fake guru. I'm not going to upsell you stuff you don't need. I'm making a few extra bucks with this because I deserve it. I spent a few years figuring stuff out, and letting someone else know all of it after 10 minutes of reading is absolutely worth $7. Good luck, and don't be afraid to reach out if necessary. I love helping. Now go post right now.